Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class that is in English for grade 2, and we are learning unit number 4, and its title is Mobile Phone. Yes, my dear fellow teacher, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can adjust it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. So, my dear students and my dear teachers, our today's lecture is we will learn how we can create color, shapes, and patterns. How we can color different shapes and different patterns. Okay. Before in English for grade 1, already we have learned to color the shape, to finish the patterns, complete the patterns by coloring it. We have already learned, my dear students. I hope you remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again. And also in English grade 1, also we have got that how we can create the different patterns and we can color it. Okay, so these all already we have done. So today we are going to learn further about it. Color within lines and create simple patterns. Recognize and classify colors and shapes. So today we are going to cover up these as follows. So my dear students, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, when I have completed shaping him and have breathed into him of my spirit, then fall you down before him in prostration. So yes, subhanallah, my dear students, this beautiful verse is telling us about the creation of Hazrat Adam alayhi salam. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying that when I have shaping him in a nice way, so when I have breathed him my own spirit, so when he will be alive, so you have to prostrate it in front of him. Okay, he said to all angels that you have to do it. So this is a great honor for a human, my dear students, that Allah Almighty ordered to all angels that you have to prostrate him. To whom? Hazrat Adam alayhi salam. So this beautiful verse is telling us about that, the importance of human being. Okay, shaping him. When we want to give a shape, so what are shapes? So let's see, my dear students. Okay, can you judge that? What is the shape of this door? Okay, see there, my dear students, already we have learned about shapes. So what is the shape of this door? Good. What is this? Yes, rectangle. Next, what is the color of this door? Can you see? Yes, hurry up, be quick. Inform to your teacher. Good, you have done it. Yes, dark brown color is there. Good job. So let's see next. Shapes. So we are going to read shapes. So see there. Which is this shape? Yes, rectangle. Okay, this shape is called rectangle. And what's color of this rectangle? Green color. Yes, you're right. Good. Next. See this shape? Okay, yes. Square. Okay, and how? What's its color? Yellow. Good. Next, see there, this shape is called triangle. And triangle means 3 corners. It has 3 corners. That's why it is called triangle. And what is the color of this triangle? Yes, you're right. It's blue color. Next one, semicircle. Means we can say, my dear students, half circle. This is half circle. Okay, got it? So what's the color? Yes, light blue color. Good. Next one, this is a star. Wow, how many corners it has? See there, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. Okay, star. And what is the color of this star? Yes, good, you're right. It's purple color. Now it's an activity time. Let's do it. Things you have to require for this activity. Yes, my dear students and my dear teacher, what you have to require? Colored pencil, colored paper. You can see there. Okay, different color papers. You must have different color. It's up to you which type of color you want to select. A pencil, a scale. This is a scale, a pair of scissors, okay, and a compass. This is compass. Okay, so now what we are going to do? Yes, let's see what we are going to do. We are going to draw different shapes. So after that, you have to draw these shapes, okay, using scale and everything. So pause the video and draw these scales and then cut down them. Okay, so pause the video and perform this activity in your class. So welcome back. Good job. I hope you have enjoyed and now you have got that how we can draw, trace a shape and how we can cut it. Good job. Next, let's see. See there, we are going to read about colors. Which color is this? Yes, red. This one, yellow. And this one is blue. Okay, let's see what we are going to do with all these colors. Yes, my dear students, when we add two primary colors together, okay, mix them, so we get a secondary color. So you can see there, see, blue and red. When we mix blue and red, which color we get? We get purple color, okay. So these mixing of colors are very interesting, my dear students. When we mix two primary colors, so we can get another secondary color, okay. So see there, you can see that how it is follow the color in this way. This is a shape, this is a circle, my dear students, okay. And in this circle we can find, can you find, see there, we can find different triangles, different colors of triangles. Look how beautiful it is looking in different colors. Yes, next see, here also you can see that when we mix up yellow and blue color together, see there, these are primary colors. So which color we will get? We will get secondary color green, okay. These two are primary colors and when we mix them, then we get a secondary color green color. Have you got that? So let's perform an activity now. Here is an activity time. Yes, things required for this activity. Poster colors means red, yellow and blue. Red, yellow and blue. Okay, these are poster colors. Next is brush for mixing. We are going to mix colors. Be ready, my dear students. A pair of disposable gloves. You need gloves so that you might not destroy your hands in different colors. But it looks beautiful when we like dip our hands in different colors because it's so much fun, okay. So disposable glass for water and disposable plates for mixing colors. So let's perform an activity, okay. All these things you have to require to perform this activity, my dear teachers. So you will available all these. So now what you have to do, you have to mix these two colors, yellow and green, okay. Then we will see which color we are going to get. Blue, green, okay, and after that blue and violet, red and violet, and red and orange, yellow and orange. So these two colors combinations I have given you hints. Mix them and see which type of color, secondary color we are going to get by mixing these primary colors, okay. So pause the video and perform this activity in your class and then come back. Welcome back. Good job. I hope you have enjoyed a lot while playing with different colors. Good, my dear students. So also you can discuss with your friends, with your classmates, and you can share with your teacher that which color is your favorite color, okay. Yes, now we are going to move toward an activity on our book on page number 35, okay. See there, so you have to complete the given pattern and colors within lines. Color within lines mean, my dear students, this is a boundary for you. Suppose this is boundary and you have to color inside, okay. No need to go outside. So this type of boundary is called lines and patterns, okay. So you have to complete the given patterns and color within lines on page number 36. Perform this activity in your class. Good job, very good. So this is for you, my dear teacher. You can get different things and draw next different shapes in a blank sheet, and you can give to your students that so that they should be able to get all these. Okay, you can also perform this activity, my dear teacher. So what's your homework? Draw a circle, fill it with primary colors, draw a rectangular, fill it with secondary color, and draw a triangle, fill it with territory color, and make a pattern of these shapes. Okay, got it? You have to make these patterns of shapes, and then you have to fill them with different colors. This is your proposed homework for today. Yes, my dear teacher, this is worksheet. This worksheet link is given below. You should get it and provide it in your students in your printed form, and then see that how they can circle the patterns in each shape. Okay. So what we have covered today, we did activities to recognize and categorize different shapes. We also did activities to recognize and categorize different colors. We learned about the patterns. We drew pattern and colored within lines. And in this way, we have covered up our this SNO. So my dear students, I hope today's lecture you have enjoyed a lot, because today we got about different colors and different shapes, how we can color them. So tomorrow with a new lecture, we will meet soon. Till that time, stay blessed. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.